So this is Penavon Circular, including Cribyn from the north. Cwm Gwdi car park, I think it is, which is north of the Brecon side. And we've done a bit of a crummy sort of 45 minutes on a road, which brings you to the base of the Cribyn ridge. And the walk should be nice from here.
So ahead we have Cribyn, and to the right of that we have our destination, which is Penavon. Come back down that ridge, finish off where we started at the car park. Nice circular walk. Big, which certainly does look rather big. Very, very steep climb ahead of us, and then we're going to have to go down. But yeah, wow, look at that scenery.
So the base of Cribyn, it's like a tower. It's very steep, and then second climb to do up onto there. But this is spectacular scenery. It's blinking steep, this bit. It's blinking steep, isn't it? Getting there. Oh wow, views, amazing. Views are amazing, aren't they? Cribyn summit. There's Penavon ahead, more of a gentle climb up onto there. It's quite steep, this little descent here off Cribyn. But the path's pretty good. It's been really nice walk so far. Weather's pretty good. But it's definitely one of the best like little horseshoe walks in the Brecon Beacons by far. It's stunning. The best thing about today is actually being able to spend some time alone with my wife, because amongst pressures of work and kids and other stuff, it's very rare that we actually get any time together. So this is really nice. That's been the nicest thing about today. Right, just got to get down here. I'll be there in a minute. So on the last few steps up to Penavon, we're both a bit tired now, but it's that last 10 minutes. But apart from that, been good. Last stretch. Made it, Penavon summit. Cwm Gwdi. That's Kate. See the route that we went up. Amazing views. Crystal clear. To the Black Mountains and Cribyn. It's beautiful. So this is a complete rarity in the Brecon Beacons, where we have the summit of Pen y Fan to ourselves, which is incredible. That's rare as hen's teeth. In the summer people queue for an hour just to get a picture up here. There's literally a queue like at Sainsbury's. It's just stupid. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to take this in for a bit. I'll show you the way down. So go down there and then down this ridge, and then we're probably going to go to Alt D and then down to drop down to the car park. On the way down, come off the Pen y Fan. Amazing view here of the pyramid, Cribyn. It's starting to get really cold now. Met Office said it was -6 up Pen y Fan summit. Certainly felt like it. So here you've got Alt D there, and we're on one of the ridge summits here. I can't remember what it's called, but there's two other ones here that I'll have to try and tick off at some stage. Right, I'm nearly back. It's the last view on the way down. Sun going down over Alt D and the little satellite summits. I think it's about 4.5 hours that one, so if you're a lot fitter than me, you could probably do it quicker, but it was a cracking walk. Really, really good. One of the best I've done for a while. So we'll catch you next time.